Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how to reset service light on the Audi A4 B6. So let's start. First of all, we need these two buttons, one of ones and zeros, and let's get started. So turn the ignition on and we see the service light. So first of all, we need to press and hold this wrench button and turn on ignition, and after that press this one. So press and hold this one and turn ignition on, and press this one, and that's it. The service light is reset. Thanks for watching.